Hey sis, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between a BB cream, a CC cream, and a tinted moisturizer. I get asked this question all the time. What is the difference? What are they used for? Are they the same thing? So I'm pretty much here to set the record straight, to show you guys what the distinct differences are between all three of them, how to use them, when to use them, how to apply them, and all of that good stuff. So if you guys are interested, then just continue to watch. Alright, so you guys want to know the difference between a BB cream, a CC cream, and a tinted moisturizer. I get asked this a lot, not only on YouTube, but at my work. What is the difference between all three of them? So I have three drugstore products that I am going to pretty much explain to you guys the difference between all three of them. So I have the CoverGirl BB cream, I have the Maybelline tinted moisturizer, and I have the It Cosmetics CC cream. So I'm going to demonstrate and just show you guys the difference between all three, just so that you guys get a better understanding on their use and when to use them, how to use them, how to apply them, all that good stuff. So let's get into the first one, which is a BB cream. Alright, so BB cream pretty much stands for beauty balm. A BB cream is, honestly, in my opinion, a skincare product. So it has skincare benefits. It's able to pretty much help your skin. It does have a tint of color just to uniform your skin complexion and give you more of a even skin tone. It is lightweight, and more often it gives a sheer dewy finish. They do have mattifying BB creams as well, which is the one I have because I am an oily skin girl. So the one that I have is the CoverGirl mattifying BB cream, but more likely BB creams are more dewy and sheer finish. So they are good for a no makeup look. So if you are a girl who doesn't like to pack on all of that makeup and just want something a bit more natural, this is the product for you. So what I'm going to use today is the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. This is specifically for oily skin. It does say on the packaging. So I'm going to read the back and just tell you what it claims. So it is a BB cream that provides the perfect amount of coverage to even skin tone, hide blemishes, and keep you shine free all day. It is oil free, it won't clog pores, it's suitable for sensitive skin, and it lasts all day. So this has skincare benefits. BB cream usually has skincare benefits, so if you are oily skin, you will like this product. So I am in the shade 560. So me being an oily girl, I like to just start off with a primer. You do not need to use a primer if you are going in with the BB cream, but because I'm oily and I just want to take the precautions for myself, I am going to go in with a primer. So I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Mattify and Fix Primer and just focus this in my T-zone. And this is just going to help control my oils. The BB cream is already going to do that, but just for the sake of my sanity and just knowing I primed before, I just want to make sure that I am good. So you can apply a BB cream with your fingers. It is a skincare. Me personally, I don't like to use my fingers. I'd rather use a brush. So I am going to use just this brush just to sweep it on. It is more of like a loose brush that kind of just glides the product on rather than buffing it in. So I have absolutely no kind of corrector on my face. I don't have anything under my eyes. So I'm just going to show you guys what type of coverage this will give. I'm just going to add a bit on each side. So I'm going to take my brush and just blend it out. And I forgot to mention, a BB cream doesn't, there's not a lot of shades for BB cream, so you pretty much have to work with what is close to your complexion. It does adjust to your skin tone after a while. So if you are looking at my face and going, what are you doing, sis? That is not your shade. You guys are going to see in a while that it does adjust to your skin tone, and it just gives you an overall even complexion. Okay guys, so this is how the BB cream is finished on my skin. Like I said in the beginning, it kind of looked like it wasn't my skin match, but it does kind of adjust to your skin tone which is why I kind of put it in the skincare category. It gives me a flawless, even canvas, but it also has skincare benefits. So it's going to hydrate, moisturize, give you an even complexion. You'll usually see on the back or on the box, on the label, all of the benefits that a BB cream will do for your skin. Other than that, it is a very lightweight formula. It feels like there's nothing on my skin, but I do have a more natural finish. So this is literally a no makeup look. You're done, like you're out of the door with this type of product. So again, this is what a BB cream is: a beauty balm, skincare, lightweight product for everyday use. I would say it's an everyday product, just to go even to work, out to do errands, just something really quick to put on your face and be out of the door. So that is pretty much it for a BB cream. Let's move into CC cream. Alright sis, so the next product is a CC cream, and a CC cream stands for color correcting. So this is for all my ladies and gents who have a lot of discoloration. So you guys have dark spots, you guys have maybe pigmentation around your mouth, you guys have dark under eyes. This is the product for you. So this is going to help just to conceal. So it acts as a concealer. You can use it just to spot correct. You don't even need to use it all over your face, or you can use it all over your face. So you have two options with a CC cream. So it does target imperfections and evens out skin tone. Just so you guys know, all three of them are going to give you a flawless, even out skin tone. So they all do the same thing in terms of evening out your skin tone, but again, the BB cream has more of skin benefits, whereas the CC cream has zero skin benefits. Like, its only thing to do is just to color correct. So again, if you have a lot of pigmentation or dark spots, this is the product for you. Also, most CC creams have SPF. SPF because if you have dark spots or anything, or any hyperpigmentation, anything like that, you always want to make sure you're going in with an SPF anyway. So for them to make a color correcting product with no SPF just makes no sense. So I like that CC creams do incorporate SPF in them. So I find whatever CC cream that you go out and find out there, it will have SPF in it. So that's just another thing. I don't find a lot of BB creams with SPF or even tinted moisturizers with SPF. So you'll always see a CC cream with an SPF. So I would say a CC cream is like the first, I would say it's like right before using a foundation. So it has a bit more coverage than a BB cream or even a tinted moisturizer. So it has the coverage obviously because it is color correcting. So I'm going to show you guys which one I'm going to be using today, which is the It Cosmetics CC cream. This one has SPF 50, so it's pretty high in terms of SPF. So it claims it is a color correcting full coverage cream with anti-aging hydrating serum in it. So this has a lot of claims, guys. Again, it is more, I would say, full coverage. It's not going to be as sheer as your BB cream. It is going to be a bit more full coverage just because it is targeting more of your dark spots and just color correcting and evening out your skin tone. So with this one, I do like to use a buffing brush. It is honestly similar to a foundation, and with foundations I either use a buffing brush or a sponge. For today's video, I am going to use my brush. So I'm just going to apply this to my face, and the shade I'm in is deep. And you don't need to go in with a lot of this just because it is a bit heavier. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buff this in. Alright y'all, so this is pretty much how it is looking. This one I would say gives a nice sheer finish. This one has a lot more coverage than the BB cream that I just did. It also evened out my skin complexion. As you guys could see, it's very flawless. This is a bit more, like I said before, more coverage. So if you are a beginner and want to choose between these three, I wouldn't say a CC cream just because it almost mimics a foundation. But if you do want that coverage and more of an even complexion and just getting rid of that dark spot or hyperpigmentation that you have on your face, this would be the product to use. And on top of that, it has SPF. I would say this is perfect to use in the summer as well. So that is pretty much it for CC cream, guys. It's very straightforward. I really like how it came out. Just a very nice, smooth, natural canvas, guys. And this one you do have to reapply throughout the day if you are going to be outside for long periods of time, just because it does have the SPF in it. So you can always touch up your face with this product. All right, so that's pretty much it for CC cream. Let's get into the last product, which is a tinted moisturizer. Alright guys, so the last product is a tinted moisturizer, and I actually recently did a review on this product. It is the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I love this stuff, guys. It is literally my go-to as of right now. So this one is for all skin types. Essentially, a tinted moisturizer is a lightweight moisturizer with a tint in it. So this one here, it doesn't have skin benefits like a BB cream, but it is moisturizing, hydrating with a tint of color. So that's pretty much what this is, and it does help to even out your skin tone as well. Like I said, they all do the same thing in terms of evening out your skin tone. It doesn't have as much coverage as a CC cream, but it is just a very lightweight, I would say a very, very, very lightweight foundation that is hydrating. So for me, this, I would definitely have to use a primer, a mattifying primer. I believe they do have mattifying tinted moisturizers, I'm not sure, but more times tinted moisturizers have that hydration in it. So if you are an oily skin girl, I would definitely recommend using a mattifying primer before going in with one of these. So this one here is the Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I'm in the shade 355. It's the same shade as my foundation. And this one just claims that it gives you a natural look, a fresh feel, buildable coverage, which is good, and 12-hour hydration. So, and it is good for sensitive skin as well. It has 76% of natural origin ingredients in this product. So that's pretty much what a tinted moisturizer is, guys. I know it's kind of confusing, all three of them, but I hope I kind of explained the little differences between them all. So it honestly depends on what you like in terms of coverage, your skin type, if you want to cover, conceal, just all of that. So definitely take into consideration what your skin is like and what it needs, or what you want as well. So I'm going to show you guys this one. I've pretty much already reviewed this one. If you guys haven't seen, I will leave it in the cards above so you guys can check that one out. But I am going to apply this on my face, and I think I'm gonna use my brush to blend it out as well. Again, you can use your hands for all three of these products. Your hands are always your best friend, honestly, but I prefer using brushes. So I'm gonna go in with this brush and just blend it out. I put way too much on my forehead. Alright, so this is the finished look. I love how glowy and fresh faced my face looks. This I will rant for probably for the next few videos because I love this product, guys. It honestly evened out my skin tone, gave me a nice flawless glow. I look very natural, hydrated, bright. this is honestly my favorite product out of all three. So like I said, it does give a even skin tone. It doesn't do much with your under eye, so I'd definitely advise using a concealer just to conceal your under eye. You do not need to go in with a lot. My face feels super hydrated. As soon as you put this on, you guys are going to feel like a cooling sensation. So it does give you a nice hydration throughout the day, especially if you have dry skin. So yeah, that's pretty much it between all three of these products, guys. I hope I was able to explain it as good as possible. There are distinct differences between all three, but like I said, it is up to your skin, what you know about your skin, and all of that good stuff. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. Leave your comments down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.